Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine. Today I'm showing you how to change your game animation sample character or default to your custom character in 5.7. Here we can see there is a default mannequin here and we transform it to our specific character. So let's begin. First of all, we have to go to Fair and download a custom character. Here go to Unreal Engine. Here you can find lots of assets and they are also free and paid character here. We download a character like Paragon character. There is lots of character here. Let's find a well looking character for our game animation sample. There is a Paragon Giron. I want to download this Greystone. Okay, so look at the character, it's so good and customizable. So we just add this to add my library, and here we have to download it first. So after download the character, we have to add it to our project. Okay, there is our game animation sample 5.7. We add it to our project. It will take too much time because the character file is too big, so I am just skip it. Okay, so now we can see that our download is almost complete. um, this will take 7 minutes download, and now it's complete. And after the completion, we have to go back our game animation sample project. Okay, and we can see in our um, content browser we have a folder Paragon Greystone, and here we can find our Greystone asset. Okay, so now what we do, we have our mission is to replace this character to our Greystone character. Okay, so there was an option in animation sample project. You can choose lots of character. Okay, like Echo, Twin Blast, and there was a Meta Human or option also, and others. If you click it, our character will change to Twin Blast. Okay, so our destination is to change it to Greystone. Okay, so we have to work here. Okay, we need to add a function here. So first of all, we have to see our game mode is GM Sandbox. Okay, and their on class is Sandbox character. So I just browse it. You can see this is our Sandbox character, and we need to find animation blueprint of this character. Okay, I think this is the animation blueprint of this character, but be sure. Okay, yes, my guess is right. This is the animation blueprint, so we retargeted it. Okay, retarget animation, we select our Greystone character, character subdivision is too high, That's why it's take time because my RAM is low. I'm only using 16 GB today. That's why. Okay. So we need just export asset. Okay. And we select the folder of our Greystone and we make a new folder here, anim. Okay. And we just export it. After the exporting, we need this file. Okay. We need this IK retargeter. So we just rename it. We just rename it to custom character. Custom, just custom. Okay. And press F2 and Control C, just copy the name. Now we need to go blueprints, the target character. Here we are just duplicate the twin blast and rename it to BP customs. Okay, custom. And there we can see lots of function. And we just press the mesh character twin blast and there was option skeleton mesh asset. We just select our custom character. Okay, the viewport we can see nothing is happening. And also we have to change the tag name. Okay, RTG customs. Then compile, process, and you can see our character is here now. Okay, so after the creating our customs, then we have to go ABP generate retarget. And here you can see there was option here IK retargeter map. And here we need to add a retargeter map, and there we are select our retargeter character RTG customs. Okay, compile save. After doing this, we have to go to our widget folder, and there was the game animation widget. We go there and go to the craft, and here we have an option visual override list. Okay, select it, and here we need a add to a list, and there we also select our character here. Sorry, the BP character we made, BP customs. Okay, done. And the last things we need to do, this is our game mode override. We need to go there, open the blueprint here. There is a cycle visual override, and also we need to add our character here, BP customs. Okay, done. We finally done our blueprint here function. Okay, so now let's test it. Okay, here we have select the twin burst and go to the widget. Now you can see our character here. Proceed. Now you can see our custom character in our animation blueprint sample. We can use all the animation of their default character had. And this is too good. Look at this. So now you can make your own game by own function and own map. Thank you for watch the video. If you learn something from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want to know something from me, just comment on the video. Okay, thank you very much.